Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a modern typographic poster design in Photoshop. Create a new document of these dimensions. Go to the adjustment layers and add a solid color adjustment layer. Choose a dark red color for it. Then add a blank layer. And select the light red foreground color. Go to the brush tool. Use these settings for the brush. Then paint it like this. And our background is ready. Now go to the text tool and type the text. Change its font. I am using Nagasaki font for this effect. Make sure all letters are capital. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size. Open the layer panel and press Ctrl+J for the layer via copy of it. Select the main text layer, right-click on it, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T, right-click on it, and choose Flip Vertical. And drag it down. Right-click again, and choose Perspective. And follow me. Then go to the Filter menu, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Follow my blur settings. Add a layer mask to it. And go to the Gradient tool. Make sure the foreground color is black and apply it like this. Then go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select the image, and click on Place. Link is mentioned in the description. Bring it top in the layer panel. Then go to the Select menu, and Subject. Here I need some manual selection. I am using the Lasso tool for it, so hold the Shift button to add the selection. Add a layer mask to it. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size and position. Now select the brush tool, and follow my brush settings. Add a blank layer under the image layer. And apply the brush. Select the image layer and press Ctrl+J for a copy of it. Select the down image layer and convert it to a smart object. Then rasterize. Press Alt+Shift+Backspace to apply the black foreground color to it. Press Ctrl+T and adjust it. Apply Gaussian blur to it. Add a layer mask, select the Gradient tool, and follow me. Next, select the Type tool and type the text. Follow me in that process. Finally, select and place this effect. Link to this mentioned in the description. Bring it top in the layers. Change its blend mode to screen. And follow my placement settings. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.